Welcome to our ChatGPT series. In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to navigate to ChatGPT using your browser, as well as explain what ChatGPT is all about. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot developed by OpenAI. It uses natural language processing to engage in human-like conversation and assist with various tasks. Please open up your browser and navigate to google.com. Left-click on the search bar and type chatgpt.com, then press Enter on your keyboard. First link to select and open chatgpt.com. Congratulations! You now have access to the free version of ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT for various tasks. However, because you are not signed into the ChatGPT system, you have a limited number of questions you can ask. We will learn how to set up an account with ChatGPT in the next tutorial. For now, we will briefly test the free, unsigned version of ChatGPT by asking it a quick question. Using your keyboard, type in what is the name of the first person in Australia, then press Enter. ChatGPT has now generated an answer to your question. Now, I'll show you how to write an email to Professor Mike about your absence. Using your keyboard, type in Hey ChatGPT, write me an email to Professor Mike explaining why I can't attend class today. Then press Enter. Here we have written a prompt to ask ChatGPT to compose an email to let Professor Mike know that we will not be able to come into class today. You can edit the answer as you would like.